And married suffering, single suffering, monk suffering, nun suffering, it's all as to what you do with what you've got, the way you deal with the situations which you face in life. That is most important. It doesn't matter whether you're single, married, celibate, whatever, it's how you deal with that. And if you really know how to deal with it wonderfully well, gee, being single is great. Especially being celibate, being alone, spending time by yourself. But please, please, please don't waste it in front of a TV or the video screen or an iPod or a computer. If you have got the good karma to be single, enjoy it. Spend more time just being in the garden, communing with nature if you like. Being still, letting nature talk to you. Listen to the birds rather than the babies. Or just being still inside and not having anywhere to go or anything to do. So you just rest, still and at peace. Why not? So that's the talk for this evening. Celebrating celibacy.